Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Rockville Titan Slim D8 powered subwoofer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: chest thumping bass. Dual 8-inch woofers deliver deep, tight bass down to 30 Hz, with a 122 dB SPL, perfect for DJs, live performances, and home audio setups. High power Class D amplification. Built-in Class D amplifier delivers 400 Watt RMS, 1600 Watt peak power for clean, efficient bass output without excessive heat. Compact and low-profile design. Slim, space-saving enclosure fits under furniture, behind bars, or in tight spaces, making it ideal for restaurants, churches, and home audio. Stackable and scalable sound. Stack multiple units for even bass distribution in large venues or use a single subwoofer for small gigs. Modular design minimizes footprint while maximizing bass. Flexible connectivity and smart protection, XLR, 1/4-inch combo, and RCA inputs for seamless system integration, plus XLR mix output for daisy chaining multiple units. Clip limiter protection prevents distortion, with LED indicators for signal and power monitoring. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.